Hey, welcome back to our series on ChatGPT plugins. The next plugin we are looking at is a RoboAd. It's your AI powered assistant. As usual, I've already installed it. You need to install this plugin and enable this as your only plugin or one of the three plugins. And once you do that, let's look at what this plugin can do. So it's your AI powered ad assistant that can be integrated with the GPT model to help you, the business, or your personal branding and advertisers create more effective targeted ad campaigns. This plugin utilizes advanced machine learning to analyze your customer data and provides personalized recommendations for ad targeting and placement. With RoboGPT plugin can automate their ad creation process, save time resources while improving their ad performance. And let's look at the next one. So this plugin can help identify their target audience, create compelling ad copy, choose their best ad placement options on the customer behavior and preferences. The RoboAd plugin can also provide real-time insights and analytics on the ad performance, allowing businesses to track their ROI and adjust their ad campaigns as needed. Can be integrated with popular ad platforms like Google Ads and Facebook, making it easy to manage their ad campaigns from a single interface. Is a powerful tool for business to look to improve their ad performance and reach their target audience effectively. So let's look at 10 use cases where this might be useful. So one is your e-commerce store promotion. It could be your Amazon store, Shopify store, or your direct D2C store. You can use it there. New product launches. So it could be you're launching a new hardware product or a software product or just a consumer product. This will help you to optimize your product outreach by creating better quality ads and local business advertising and event promotion. And similarly, you can also do, if you are an individual content creator, you can do blog promotion. If you're an enterprise, you can do app promotion. Or if you are a content creator on a tech platforms, you can do online course promotion. Or if you are an author writing amazing books, you can do book promotion. And similarly, if you are a non-profit organizations, you can do effective outreach campaigns. Or if you are a freelancer, want to brand yourself better, you can use it for personal branding. So we are going to look at a couple of use cases here. So I have taken this website example here. So Ola Electric is a electric vehicle company similar to Tesla, or you can give any other website of your choice. And I've asked it to provide the summary of a brand name, product, services, call to action, and unique selling proposition. And I know that if you have a good advertising and marketing team, they can generate this data for you. But let's assume you're capital starved and you have to do something very quick. And that's basically where this would help us to do it at relatively less cost. Looks like my plugin quota was exceeded. So let me retry this. Okay, so it's using the ad again. And this confirms the plugin is used. And URL to onboard is this. And response from the RoboAd is all this. So it's basically what it's giving. So the name is Ola. Their products are Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro. Call to action is buy now. And the unique selling points, the scooter from the future, fast, furious. And it's the money you can save since it's an electric vehicle. And how much is the cost per kilometer. And 50% less total cost ownership. And it's mission electric. So that's basically the thing. And if you want to confirm that that's the case, you can go to their website and you can see their product. They have the third product now, it didn't pick up. There is S1, S1 Pro and S1 Air. So, and that's not the only thing. You can actually do more here. So I wanted to know the marketing strategy of Ola Electric. So analyze the marketing strategy of the website and suggest ways to improve our own strategy based on their unique selling proposition. so is observed from their website appears to be focused on innovation and futurism, cost efficiency, environmental mission, and manufacturing excellence. Based on their unique selling propositions, here are something you can use to improve your own strategy: higher innovation, emphasize cost savings, align with a larger mission, showcase manufacturing or service excellence, and create engaging content and call to actions. And similarly, you could also replace Ola Electric with Tesla. So let's look at Tesla. So you can just replace Ola Electric with Tesla and see what it would give. So I'm just taking electric vehicle because most of them are familiar with electric vehicles, and many of you either own one or know people owning one, so you would have done some research on this. And okay, by the time it generates, so it is generating that data here. So by the time this is done, I'm asking it to optimize content for our website, which is Ola Electric, based on the analysis of a competitor's website, which is Tesla. So I've done an individual analysis of both the websites. Now let's see what Ola Electric can learn from Tesla, which is the world's largest electric car maker. By the time this is doing, I'm working on a next one which is in a different sector. So I've asked it generate multiple ad variations for a product, India Homes, or it could be US Homes, or it could be Toll Brothers. You can give any name and provide a comparison of their potential differences. Okay, so it basically says, based on analysis, your unique selling propositions, here are some suggestions to optimize the website. One is buy Ola S1, buy Ola S1 Pro, and description: the future of mobility, save all this price. And it also gives robo ad product feedback if you are interested in giving them the feedback, and it's also giving some additional suggestions. And by the time it does it, I wanted to see how effective is it in another sector. Yeah, so it is gonna take some time here. Okay, so it says generate the ad variations of this. So it basically says India Homes, luxury, affordable apartments, affordable homes, and premium villas. So prime location, quality construction. So you can give a different variation of ad. It's giving you a 6 variation of this, and it is also giving the potential effectiveness. So let's assume you already have a product in a current market and you want to foray into newer market. So I'm taking the Tesla example. There has been talk of Tesla foraying into India for a long time. So if Tesla has to foray their existing product into India, how would they localize the information for that specific market? Can a robo ad help them do that? And that's basically what we are looking at. So the dominant language, and it's saying when English is widely spoken, especially among urban educated, you might want to consider some of the other languages. Critical nuances: make sure your ads are culturally sensitively relevant. This would involve images that resonate with the local audience. Pricing: ensure is in local currency and is competitive with the local market. Local partnerships: so collaborating with local influencers and celebrities for your ad campaign. Product localization and customer support. Remember, the goal of localization is not just translation, but making your product and its marketing feel as if they were created specifically for the target market. So this is what robo ad can do. There are many other prompts. I'll try to attach it in the follow-up videos. And all the prompts that are covered here would be available to you. You don't have to type it. You can just copy paste and try it on your ChatGPT Plus. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.